Hey you guys, so welcome back to the channel. So today we have another wig from the Stylist. So I have reviewed other wigs in this collection. Today's wig is going to be Tastee. As you guys can see, their lace does come tinted. It is brown already. It's a 13 by 6. That is the parting area, and you get plenty of space to part this wig. The lace on it is brown. I like it okay. It does come transparent as well. Look at the flip over with this. Can we just take a minute to like enjoy the flip over that's going on here? This wig has texture. This wig, you can part it. You get baby hairs on this. You get a naturally plucked hairline on this. I am loving it. So I'm going to go ahead on and style it. The only thing is you do have to put just a little bit of heat on here at the base just to get it how you want. So the way I'm going to style it is I'm going to put just some curls at the bottom of it. Now the hair is nice and thick, but you do need a few curls at the bottom to me just to add some volume to the tips of the hair, because I feel like as it gets to the bottom of the hair, it's a little bit, I don't want to say stringy, but maybe a little bit thinner. So I went in, used my curling iron, and I added some curls, and then I used some clips to hold it in place, just to hold the curls in for a little bit. Now if you want them to stay longer, you may have to use the hot water method. Then I took this hot comb and I went through the base of it. That was just to give it that nice flat, fresh from the salon look. As you can see, the hairline came out super natural. This is a 360 of it. You guys, let's just go ahead on and get into pros and cons.
This is pretty much the final look for Miss Tastee, and she is, to me, a gorgeous wig. She's absolutely beautiful. I love everything about it. I do have some cons though. So getting into cap construction. Cap construction on this is really good. It is big head friendly. You are going to get a lot of room when it comes to this wig cap. I didn't even put my whole sides down over here. I waited till the last minute to cut up and kind of go around. But as you can see, if I was to put it down, it would be perfect. I had so much room in this cap. I had to wait to put it on to even cut it up by my ears. Same thing over here. I left the ear tabs on. I would have to, you know, go in and cut it up and kind of lay it down, but the wearing it like this and to show it to you guys, I just went ahead on, you know, and just left it like this. So I sprayed here and I sprayed, you know, obviously to about here, and that's it. Hairline on this is really good. I did get the brown lace, the brown HD lace, which I probably should have gotten the lighter one so that I could do it the way that I want it. It's not bad, but you may want to go with the transparent one or the light one instead of going with the brown one, depending on your complexion. So make sure you pay attention to that when you're over at Sam's Beauty and you hit which one you want, because you do have two options as far as with the lace is concerned. So if you guys have not watched my last review, I forget the name of that one. I think it was Nisha. I just reviewed Nisha from this line. I think I have Athena from this line, and I can't think of the other one, but I have a couple of them from this particular Stylist HD line. The great thing about these is that they are really nice wigs, and depending on if you're looking for something that is going to be textured versus not textured, curly versus straight, they pretty much will have something in this collection to me that you'll like. So I did get shedding with this as well. The shedding on this, it just kept shedding, and I was just like, what's going on with that? Every time I kind of ran my hands through it was shedding. I'm not getting that so much now, but I was before, so I don't know if it's just it does that and then it kind of stops. So it was doing that. Now when you first get it, I will tell you this wig is thick and it's poofy, but it's lightweight. It's not like the Nisha, so don't think that it's like the Outre Nishas. It's not. It's just that the texture of it is textured, so it's like kind of poofy. So you gotta decide on if you want to go in with your flat iron or whether you want to put some curls in or something like that. Because with it being like that, the bottom of it is the next thing. It seems a little bit thinner, and it seems like up in here it's more thick. So what I did is to add a little bit of volume. You could always add curls. I went in with my curling iron and I just went, as you guys saw, and just added some curls. That was just to add some volume and to take up this at the bottom so that the tips of it will look pretty natural. And that's all that you really have to do with it. Now the great thing about this wig is this wig will be cute in an up down once you get that front down, or just do up in here. It will be cute like that. It will be cute if you want to put a, you know, a braid or something in here. This is natural hair at its best. Getting it to my pros. This hair, to me, like I said, it's just beautiful. It's just blowing in the wind. Fabulous. I absolutely love it. I have watched a couple reviews on it. People gave mixed reviews. I think it depends on if it's your style. Definitely give you like that bundle look or that frontal with some bundles looks, because the lace on it is really nice and the hairline looks really good. Didn't have to pluck anything. When they say pre-plucked on this particular one, to me it is pre-plucked. When I look up there, all I see is little bitty hairs. I do not see a thick hairline. So I love it. You got your hands through. This hair is super soft. I mean, that's why I didn't want to put any heat on it, because I was like, I don't want to change the texture of it. Again, I told you guys, Sam's Beauty has been just sending me over the Stylist, and they sent me over like basically the whole collection, and it's just, I'm blown away by some of them because I have been sleeping on this company. So if you guys have not yet checked out wigs from the Stylist, if you want one with texture, if you want one with a 13x6 pre-plucked, all that, this one here is really nice. I think that it retails in about the $39 range, which to me is really good, because you don't have to do much to it. So leave it in the comment section below. Let me know if you guys like this one, or did you like Nisha? Do you like how this one looks on me, or did you like the way Nisha looked? Because Nisha, I want to say the texture on that one was a little bit more silkier versus this one here being like a yaki. Again, light yaki, not Nisha, not outre Nisha yaki, but like light yaki. But it's just, like I say, it's beautiful. I'm always amazed at how these companies make synthetic wigs that just look and feel so natural. So thank you guys for joining me today. To those who are watching and you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate it. Return subscribers and YouTube babes, hey girl, hey, how y'all doing? Let's go ahead on and talk about this in the comment section below. What you guys think about this one? I mean, y'all know how I feel. I already done told you. I already spilled the tea. Y'all know how I get when I'm smiling and I'm just like, ooh girl, I can't stop touching the hair. I love it. So let's talk about this in the comment section below. If you guys decide to share this video or any of my videos on your social media platform, y'all always know the deal. Tag me in it. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or TikTok. The name is Beauty by Mark. I will see you ladies and gentlemen in my next video. Bye.